Hi, I want to show you how to create your Near wallet. So first of all, you go to your desktop or your mobile browser, because Near wallet is a web browser. It's a web wallet, sorry. So you go to wallet.near.org. Wallet.near.org. So see, this is the wallet. You create an account. So what do you want the account to be? Your Near wallet. Because one thing about Near is that they want to make readable, what they call readable addresses. So they make your address easier. So you can use that address to receive your Near from any exchange, from any wallet. It replaces the usual plenty alphabets and plenty alphabets we see normally as wallet addresses. So we type in let's do okay, let's just do kip.near. Okay, so it's taken already. So let's do kulup.near. So Kulup is available, so we reserve it and we create most recommended is secure passphrase. So we generate our passphrase. I believe you know what passphrase is. So you continue, you copy this passphrase and let's place it somewhere. Let's place it somewhere. This is somewhere. So okay, so we can easily access it. So okay, so this is it. So we continue. Word number 9 is what? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Uncle. We type in uncle and then so to one-time verification we'll do, or let me just do number. So +234 8134755225, and then we'll continue. Verification code. So let's see. So we've received our verification code. So our verification code is 626969. So verify and continue. Okay, 626969. Okay. Incorrect. 626969. Okay, I've got a new one. 598176. Okay, now that we've created our account, our near account, or your near web wallet, so this is the single funding address. So you need to activate your wallet by sending a minimum of 0.1 near. So doing that would activate the wallet, and when you activate the wallet, your wallet is ready. So just need about 1.78 USD to activate your wallet. So that's how to create your near wallet, and then you can easily copy your address and all of that, and you can easily send near from there, from exchange to that place. You can stake and all of that. Okay, so after depositing at least $1 to the wallet, to activate your wallet, and now you can see your wallet. This is your wallet on your near web wallet. It's very simple and very easy to do. Very simple and very easy to do. So now your near wallet is ready. So let's go under staking. You can stake your near with different validators. You can stake your near with different validators. And then, so let's look at Metapool. Metapool provides liquid staking on near. So Metapool.app. This is one way to earn staking rewards, staking your near. And then, of course, there's a promise of Metapool token coming, and those that stake their near will be rewarded with the airdrop. To start staking, click on start staking. So connect near wallet. So it has detected my wallet already, so I click on it, next, and then I connect it. So this is it. Then I can stake my near. I'm already staking a little near in the wallet, so just put in the amount of near, leave some for fee, transaction fee, and then you click stake. So I can unstake my near if I want to. You can add liquidity, you can harvest, you can delay. See, you can start your delayed on stake. So this is it. It's very simple. Use your near wallet. There you can see all the let's go to near. You see all the products on near. These are the apps I've used so far on near. So you can explore other apps on here. There's so many apps on here. Okay, it's not connecting, but then if you click on this place, explore apps, it will take you to this. It will take you to and you can also access all of this on your phone. You can access all of this on your phone. So near is one blockchain that you should look out for. They are pretty scalable, and there are lots of amazing apps on the blockchain.